Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. So, dear students, we have finished the first chapter in the last period, and today we will see second chapter, the friendly mongoose. So, this story tells you so many important things, and one particular message we learn from this story that we will see at the end of the story. Here we have farmer friendly mongoose. You know the mongoose who kills the snake. What is the specialty of mongoose? Who kills the snake, and he is typical like a cat, very small cat, but his two teeth are very strong, by which he cuts the even snake like cobra or other poisonous snakes or non-poisonous snake. A farmer, his wife and their small child lived in a village. There was a baby mongoose in the house who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in future. One day the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. One evening, the farmer brought with him tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. So, as you know, farmer and his wife, they were a very loving couple, and they had one son who was small. So, wife suggested that they should have one pet, which is necessary as a companion for their son. One day, farmer brought baby mongoose, and wife became very much happy. She said that now he is a baby mongoose, but he will be fully grown, and he will be a great companion to our son. On page 5, first para, I read. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal, 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. As you know, human babies, they take a lot of time, and animals generally they grow up very fast. Cat, or even we can say the dog or other animals, debarring some animals, some kitten animals. But here mongoose, in the 6 months he became full-fledged mongoose, whereas this son of a farmer, still he was in a cradle. His mother was breastfeeding to him. So this is but here mongoose has become totally bushy tail and a very, we can say, full-fledged mongoose. Next para. One day farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I'm off the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. You needn't be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends, you know. Then one day what happened, farmer's wife said that I am going to a bazaar market to buy some things, and please keep an eye on my baby, and frankly I don't believe on the pet that you have brought, mongoose. So for husband says you shouldn't be afraid, because mongoose is a friendly animal, and he is as sweet as our baby. So he said, and she left. The wife went away. The farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some times. As what happened, wife already went for shopping, or went for some bringing essential items, and doing nothing to do. He was having nothing to do, so he went to field which was very near from their house, but he met the friends and he didn't come up, he didn't return. So naturally baby mongoose and baby of a farmer, he was alone. Next para. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her. As was customary, the farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, "Blood, blood!" she cried. The face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. As what happened when farmer's wife came, as usual, this mongoose welcome to this wife of farmer, but his face was smeared, his paws and face is smeared with blood. So she became very frightened and she began to shout, "Blood, blood in your mouth!" And she said, "You wicked animal, you have killed my baby!" She screamed hysterically. She was blind with rage and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. What did she do? She, instead of thinking twice or in a fit of anger, she didn't think twice or even once. She said, "You killed my baby," and she said, "You wicked animal." She put all the basket which was full of groceries, heavy basket, on the mongoose, and all of a sudden she went inside to see the condition of his child. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. "Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done?" she cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still, unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. And what happened, as usual, she realized the baby was sleeping in a cradle. Baby is safe and sound, and whereas she has seen the black cobra lying, and he with a blood smeared, and then she realized what happened. The mongoose had killed the snake to save the life of a son. She ran towards the mongoose, and who was dead on the floor, who was lifeless, and she began to sobbing and she cried, "Oh, you saved my child, but I and killed the snake, but what I have killed you." But as you know, she was saying it to the to the body of a mongoose who have already died. So farmer's wife was staring, and she realized her mistake in a rashly what kind of act she has done. Then she heard the baby crying, and wipe out her tears, she went to the feed him. So here we learn the message that one should think twice before doing anything. Think twice, thrice, take a rational decision. Don't take immediate action. First think, realize, then take an action. So see the difficult words, write down their meaning in your notebook, or make a special notebook for okay, it doesn't matter, you continue in the same book, write down the vocabulary and question answer, send it on my personal number. Jazakallah.